What's up, dude?
How we doing, Kyle?
You know what's funny? We did a show, what was it, a week or two ago? 2 weeks ago?
Yep.
And my girlfriend was in the same room, and she goes, I can tell you like that guy a lot. Did you make a new friend? First thing she said. She doesn't like when I do her accent, but I don't talk like that. That's not how I sound. Pretty
Are
good
you still overseas right now?
So that is not my decor behind me. I got upgraded to like a two-story suite on the side of a mountain. I'm in Phuket, like the ocean's right there. I would show you, but it's dark, so you couldn't see it. But yeah, I'm in a big dog suite. I paid $170 a night, and I got like the I don't know how much this thing would be. It'd be expensive, so
that works.
Upgrade. You only got to stay in Marriott's 200 nights a year to get big upgrades like this.
That absolutely pans out.
And I wanted to show you the two knockoff bootleg things I bought when I was here. You ready to see the world's greatest thing ever?
Without a doubt.
This
new iPhone?
Nope. Well, this is a working. The battery died, but it's this little itty bitty iPhone that's like the size. Look how small this thing is, dude. Like here's a pen. I don't know if you can tell. It's a fake iPhone with a fake iOS system, and it works, but it's super tiny. So it's kind of funny.
Super sweet.
And then the flip side of that, I got my Bluetooth giant AirPod as I was walking around. So,
That's perfect.
They got all the good knockoff stuff here. So I appreciate you joining in. Dude, to recap, if people didn't catch the first episode, we were making live internet calls. The only person that we got to answer the phone, we triple called.
Hi, you've reached the voice mailbox of Nick Jackson.
All right, cool. So at least we got the right number, right? Let's do it again. Permission to double call, sir.
Permission granted.
Hi, you've reached the voice mailbox of Nick Jackson.
So the reason I'll double call, the hardest part is just getting this guy on the phone. If you want to get crazy, Wisconsin, there's a 10% chance he'll get triple call.
Why not?
Let's go. It's a used car. You don't have to worry about the survey, dude. And the reality is, if I get this guy on the phone, he'll be fine.
Yeah, we'll send him a video. We'll make it all nice.
Hardest part is just getting him to pick up.
Hello, this is Nick.
Hi, Nick?
Yes.
Oh, Nick. I'm so happy I got you on the phone. It's Kyle from the dealership. Thank you for taking my call, sir. I appreciate it.
Yeah, hey, did you call a couple times?
Yeah, the phone was acting funky, so I'm glad I got you on the phone now.
Yeah, sorry. I wanted to make sure it wasn't an emergency. I'm in the middle of a meeting. You mind shooting me a text?
Yeah, I'll text you. It looks like we have that Escalade you wanted. Did you want me to set up a time for you to come by and take a... All right. Perfect.
Stop. Send me a text.
I'll send you a text right now. You're the man. Thank you. All right, we tried. At least we got him on the phone, right? Now, if you notice something, on the triple call, what didn't I say? I didn't say what?
Oh, yeah, this is my third time calling you.
I just said it was Kyle from the dealership. I don't want to cause you guys to heat, so that's still a fresh opportunity for you. But we got him on the triple call. You guys will work him. Text, email, let's do the next one.
End of flashback.
Do you know what happened with that guy? Did he come in or?
He ended up, so we followed up with him, sent him videos, all that. He did not end up coming in, but he answered, so that was good. We got the consideration there.
Nice. You know what's funny? I don't know if I told you, we have a call center in the Philippines, and I think we put this out online already. I was working live leads in the Philippines. That was crazy. Like calling Filipino customers, it was really interesting.
That is awesome.
The cars are all different names. They're like Star Knight Ultra. They got like Transformer names, even for the regular brands that we sell. Did I tell you about the store I work with over there?
No.
So the two stores I visited, it's a Mitsubishi store, one of them. And Mitsubishi is a big deal in the Philippines. When they had their Civil War or whatever, Mitsubishi was the only brand that didn't pull out. They sell more Mitsubishis in the Philippines than the United States, I think, believe it or not, by like a lot. They sell 250 cars a month. You want to guess how many salespeople they have?
I'm going to say 4.
250.
250?
They have 250 sales people. So the average person in the Philippines sells 1 car a month. Is that wild?
If it works, it works.
There's just like a lot of people. Like you go in and there's like it's like, why are there 200 people here? Like you guys sell 250 cars a month. Like on a given day, there's just like a sea of people. And then I did most of the work at the Hyundai store that's right next door. They sold 18 cars with 30 salespeople. It's a newer point. So it's just, wow, there's so many people there, dude.
Well, there we go.
There you go.
Is it primarily English when you're on the call? And
yeah. There's some folks that just speak Tagalog, their native tongue, but the majority, like the textbooks are in English, the roadsides are in English. So most people that have went to school and stuff speak English. So it works out.
Gotcha.
It was fun.
Easy.
we've done training over there for about 4 or 5 years now, and it's fun. Whole different world, but it's fun.
Yeah, that is. So how long are you there annually about? You've got your call center there and
2 to 4 weeks a year, probably.
nice.
Most of it we do on Zoom, including the sales training and stuff.
Yeah. Very nice.
We're supposed to do a TV show there. It was going to be called Off the Street. And it's super easy to get a TV show on in the Philippines, believe it or not. Like on the air, like I was like, yeah, let's do it. Like we're like, is that easy? We were gonna find like a hot dog vendor or somebody. I got 2 screens, so if I'm looking over, I'm on my mobile setup, looking over right here. And we were gonna be like, hey, do you want to sell cars? And we were just gonna find like 3 or 4 people off the street was gonna be the name of the show, and we're gonna train them on how to sell cars. It's not very. I mean, you got to sell 1 car a month to be a success in the Philippines, so it wasn't super hard, but it got canceled.
If you get 2 or 3, you're the man.
Oh yeah, you sell 3 cars a month there. It's like you just gotta like take a 0 away. Like 1 is 10, 2 is 20, 3 is 30. You sell 3 cars a month, you're walking in there like the big dog. I sold a car when I was there though. I was proud. So I got 1. They only sell 18 cars a month. I got 1. That was a nice little hit.
That works, and you're only there for a month.
Yeah.
You hit your quota.
I hit my quota. I get to go home now. So
so from our last conversation, when we were giving calls to people, it's funny, our entire organization, we do calls each week with general managers, sales managers, and whatnot. And over the past month, phone call volume, and emphasis on phone call content and quality and training our salespeople, it's been a high focus. And growingly so, what we're seeing on our end is that customers are starting to re-engage with phone call. So although text has kind of moved into the primary mode of communication, it's easy, right? It's not just getting filled up in an email box. Calls kind of coming back, and those are customers that are ready to transact with you and looking for answers immediately. And so we've had focus on that. And after our call last week, the double, the triple call, it kind of forces people to get on the phone, and it creates an urgency and a message that's like, you got to hear this now. And so I think, for those that are a little more tenacious and a little more, have a little bit more of a go-getter attitude on the sales floor, that's a teaching that they can take to heart and just kind of get after it. And it's all about enthusiasm, greeting people with, excitement, and letting them know that there's some offer out there for them that might get them to the curb of transacting.
I couldn't agree with you more. And the reason why I call 3 or 4 times like a psycho is because I'm like, look, if I can call somebody 3 times in a row, you guys can call twice in a day. Like it just the hardest part is literally just getting people on the phone. And I always like to say they went to your website or a third-party website. They gave you their first name, their last name, their email address, their phone number, and they went click, click. They're ready to buy the car. So if you treat it like you're confirming an appointment and not setting an appointment, you just assume they're coming in. Most of the people, if you get them on the phone, are going to set the appointment. So we mystery shopped all the stores, and for non-clients, how I call it sometimes, people that we don't do mystery shops for all the time, you guys did a pretty good job. I'd be, if I were you, for base level or whatever you want to call this, you had a couple that you're probably not happy with, but just in comparison, I'd be pretty thrilled. So Mazda store, 23 minutes, 21 minutes, and 20 hours. So the way that we measure, we do a mystery shop, and we just go, how fast did they call? How fast did they text? How fast did they email? And 20 hours on the email is probably a little slow, but you did get the call. Took an hour and 22 for the first phone call to go out at Mazda, 6 minutes on the text, 6 minutes on the email. Is that store using AI? Is that an AI tool?
Yeah, all of our email and text response should be relatively fast. So we're linked up with DriveCentric for our CRM, and we do have AI enabled.
That's weird. I wonder why why some of the calls and stuff. And that's just one of the things. Sometimes the website providers, they'll camp on leads. It might not be the case on this, because when they camp, as we call it, the times are pretty consistent. But it's kind of weird. you had the email go out so late. Honda, hour and 42 minutes, hour and 11 minutes, hour and 11 minutes. So that's where it looks like it's AI. I wonder if the website was sitting on the lead. And we timestamp all these and you have them. So if you want, I don't know who your website provider is, you can go back and check them.
Yeah, this is great.
So there's all the results there. And then just taking a look, this is just a 24-hour shop. So we had 5 calls from Kia. That was our number one caller. And then the majority of the stores just called one time. It was a 24-hour shop, though. So we had a ton of text activity and a lot of email activity. I don't know if that was the AI. We respond back. So I think conversations got started back and forth. I'll tell you, and I love DriveCentric, and I love a lot of AI tools. I'm jumping on a meeting in 10 minutes with the AI company after this. When AI gets involved, you see phone calls drop a lot because salespeople go, oh, let the AI do its thing. There's arguments on both sides. If somebody is engaged and I don't have an appointment yet, I still like jumping on and calling them. You can say I'm phone heavy, but if they're engaged, pick up the phone.
Absolutely.
And then you guys killed it on the video too. I mean, it wasn't everybody. Huge percentage of your stores, though, whatever the math is, sent to video. This is way, way, way more videos than we normally see. And who's the leader in the clubhouse for the calls? It was this Kia Madison. Was that it?
Yep.
Hey Josh, it's Everett from Mustero Kia in Madison. Just shot you a voicemail. If you can give me a call back on the Kia K4, happy to help out my man with any questions. Phone number 608-390-6663. Thanks, Josh. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.
Guy could be a streamer, dude. Check out his Twitch channel or whatever. So cool. Just good game film. And when we do this for dealers every single week, we usually track it for 5 days, and you just get a lot of good stuff. Now, I don't know if you had a chance to click into the shop. I'll just randomly click into one. It's loading slow. I'm on that hotel internet. I was lazy. I didn't set the Starlink up. Here's the calls. You can listen to the voicemails. Here's the texts. So it's interesting to see when you're jumping in here if the salespeople actually jump in. And then here are all the emails if you wanted to get through and take a look at the game film. But there you go, sir. If I had to give a thumbs up or thumbs down, I would definitely give you a thumbs up for a first shop. Way better than average, of course, that we don't consistently do this for.
No, that is fantastic to see. It's a nice way to highlight where the process is working the way it's supposed to and where it's not, right? Makes it easy to pinpoint where to focus.
Absolutely. Did you and did you share this with the GMs or not yet?
I have not yet. So I'm not sure if this got sent to me yet. If so,
all right, I'll forward it to you. My apologies. I thought you
No, all good. But I would love to see that. That would be fantastic.
Awesome.
Yeah, I think based on this, the process going forward, we always focus on at my stores is getting the proposal sent out as soon as possible. Obviously responding as quick as possible to the leads, but I think getting that phone call in there within 10 minutes or so of the lead coming in is a lot more crucial than, we've been growing to think. It's kind of been text, video, but we definitely can't forget the importance of a call.
100%. And if you take a look here, the first text from AI is a little, I don't want to say spammy, but it's a little, hey, we're going to check on this.
Right.
So, and then we asked for pricing and they said they would send it. Let's see if we got that quote out. So it looks like, this came from SmartPath?
Yep.
Cool. So you got the SmartPath quote out. Does this go automatically or does the store have to send this?
That will go out automatically.
Great. So, right out of the gate, we got the quote. So cool.
Right.
And here's a capture all the emails. Did we send any emails? Let me see. I may have gotten 5 emails and no emails, if you know what I mean. I think these might all be autopilots.
That's Autopilot. That is Real Person.
Oh, they wrote that?
Yep.
Cool. There's the video. Bang. That's good. So cool. For 24 hours, too, that's pretty strong. I mean, it's important to remember it's only a 24-hour shop, too. But
right.
So, yeah, nice.
Hey, I wish someone else was looking for that GR86 as well.
Let's get it going.
I'll get you a screaming deal on it.
Let's go. Childish Gambino, the rapper?
Yep.
So I heard the way he came up with his rapper name is he went to a Wu-Tang name simulator. We have a name simulator that just spits out random names. It's always funny. I always like looking at the names to see what they're going to be.
Have you tried yours?
My name? No. We should. Maybe it'll randomly pop up someday, or you just plug mine in there.
I'm gonna have to check that out. That's not a bad idea to
What if you check my
put on the leaderboard, give everyone a little nickname.
Yeah. Let's do it. Well, I appreciate this, sir. I'm happy to do another round of shops after the new year. So if you want to, share this with the team, and then you can do another comparison.
No, absolutely. This is great. I appreciate it, and it'll definitely give us something to, start next year, focus on, and lock down the process in January and February. We got a little more time and a little lower foot traffic.
The majority of our stores that we do this for, we do it once a week. And then we usually do a local competitor too. So you can engage and see how the local competition's going. And It's fun. These guys get obsessed with beating each other. Not only do they want to beat the competition, they want to chase each other. And they start going, I made the most calls this week. My store sent the most texts. We did the best job. So it's just a nice way for these guys to compete with each other too.
Competition is a great thing.
Well, sir, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, all that good stuff. I will not be coming to Wisconsin, I don't think, anytime soon, or I would look you up.
That's okay. That is okay. You enjoy Thailand, and have fun back in Medellin as well, and enjoy that sunshine.
Appreciate it, sir. Talk to you soon.
See you, Cal.